Alright guys, I think we're live. It's John the Bond coming to you January 29, 2021. Let me just make sure that my OBS is working. It is okay. Yeah, so today we're talking about Gamestop, guys. This is super exciting. And check it out. You're going to ride this wave with me. You're going to see my portfolio. In fact, here it is right here, guys. I currently have a profit of $5, $6. Pardon me, it's just hectic, guys. It's been a hectic morning. The bell rang at 9:30 at the New York Stock Exchange, and my position went from $100 down from yesterday to $100 up. I felt like a genius. I was making money while I was sleeping. But since then, it's just been red candles everywhere, guys. It's been crazy. As you can see right now, let's take a look at this. I've got $400 invested in this GME stock because I think it's going to the moon, man. I think it's going to Mars. I think Papa Elon is going to take us past Mars, possibly outside of the solar system, because Papa Elon, man, he's on the GameStop. He's one of our boys, all right? Now, is this coming through clearly? Yeah, I think we're good. So I need you to let me know in the live stream chat, what do you make of all of this? Today we are talking about GameStop. We're talking about the stop of the game. It's the end of the game. This is GameStop, and we're going to take down Wall Street is what we're going to do. We're taking down Wall Street. This is the Occupy Wall Street all over again, but this time it's better because we're making money. We're making cold hard cash investing in the stock exchange, on the stock market, and we're going to make a lot of money here, guys. Now remember, everything that I say is not financial advice, and if anybody ever takes financial advice from this channel, they're foolish, because that's just silly. This is just for fun. This is for entertainment purposes only, and there's a very good chance I'm going to lose all my money. So you definitely don't want to take any advice from me. However, I have it on very good authority that we're going to the moon, we're going to Mars, possibly. I mean, what's your favorite constellation? That's where we're going, because we've got Papa Elon is on our set. He's on our team. He's all in, I've heard. And there's going to be a big short squeeze, guys. We're going to have a gamma squeeze, not just a regular squeeze. We're going to have a gamma squeeze on this market. I'm going to explain everything too. It's going to be crazy. So this is the main stock that we're watching, Gamestop Corp, GME, and I mean the fundamentals of this business are they're off the charts, fantastic. It's a brick and mortar. I don't know if you're familiar with this company. They've kind of been keeping a low profile, but they're on track to possibly be bigger than Amazon. They're in a booming industry, which is video game consoles and video game hard copy in brick and mortar stores in shopping malls. And I mean, 2020 was a booming year for shopping malls and for brick and mortar stores and for retail outlets. And this year looks like it's going to be even better, because people are out, they're shopping, they're hanging out together, having fun. The world's just a wonderful place, and people are free to hang out at each other's houses and play video games and go to shopping malls and to buy lots of stuff there. So the fundamentals of this business are just sensational. Make no mistake about it. And somehow they were trading at $4 a stock just a few months ago. It's just crazy. Now they're trading at 320, which is probably about 10% of the way to where they should be, based on my analysis, based on my technical and fundamental analysis of this stock. I think this is much more accurate compared to the $4, which was just crazy. That's basically giving it away for free. So let's see how my position's going over my trading account. Oh, guys, $20 profit, guys. We're looking good. Got some green candles going on the GME. Yeah, boy. This is good stuff. Looks like my investments in iRobot, Bed Bath & Beyond, Tesla, and Virgin Galactic, they're not going so well, but that's okay. You've got to play the long game in this. Got to play the long game. So that's what we're doing. Let's take a look at the old live stream chat. We've got Lost Spider Fella says hi. We've got Benton G, the Penguin. Charles Ponzi says that we're going to that small planet that you can't even see. And I think he's confusing our mission to Mars with his mission to get a swab to be tested for the coronavirus. Now, just excuse me, I need to take a glass of water. Oh, my glass is finished, is it? Just give me a second, guys. I need to go and top up with some water. We've got a big day coming here, huge day, here at johnthebond.com on the JW Podcast channel. In this stream, we're going to be looking at a whole bunch of stocks. We're going to be looking at this short squeeze that's happening. This basically, the Reddit Wall Street bets, man, they're taking down the hedge funds. The multi-billion-dollar hedge funds, No match for a bunch of Redditors posting memes of rockets. No match. I mean, the hedge funds, you think, oh, they've got all these people educated in finance and in computer science and actuarial studies. They've got all these smart people who, no, forget about that. They're no match, okay? And they're billions of dollars of capital and no match for a subreddit full of people posting images of rockets and diamond hands, okay? The hedge funds, I kind of feel sorry for them, you know what I mean? Like, they've got no hope against Reddit. Benton G says, how much I'm up? Well, I'm sharing with it right on the screen there, mate. Let's take a look. I'm up $4 from my initial investment. I made that investment 2 days ago. This is my third day of trading, guys. So I'm basically an expert when it comes to all this kind of thing. I mean, my first day I was just a beginner. My second day, had to go through the ups and the downs, and I learned a lot of things. But now it's my third day, and I'm pretty much, I don't want to say that I'm the best trader in the world. That'd be going too far. But I'm definitely top 3, top 4. I would think. So yeah, $8 profit so far. That's from my initial investment, mind you. I ended yesterday 110, maybe 100. But I was down a lot. Might have been 170. I can't remember. I was down a lot. But what happened was, there's this trading that happens in between days. Okay, so the stock exchange is open from 9:30 till 4 p.m. Between 4 p.m. and 9:30 the next day, there's off-market trading. There's unofficial trading, after-day trading. And GME went up a big time. So then when today started, I went from 170 down to 100 and something up. Now, since then, I've dropped a little bit, but my money's working for me. My money's working smart. And just look at that GME stock, baby. Yeah, boy. We are going to the moon. Just need Papa Elon to finally snap up a whole ton of stocks. Just waiting for him to dump his money into this market. That'll help. And then we're going to get to the gamma squeeze, guys. And just wait till you see the gamma squeeze. Holy smokes, it's going to be... You ain't seen nothing like it. Not since Volkswagen 2008 have we seen a gamma squeeze like we're going to see today. That was when, for a short period there, Volkswagen was the biggest company in the world by market capitalization, because there was a massive short squeeze, man, a gamma squeeze actually, and it was just hectic. So that's what's going to happen again today. And the reason I know that is because I've been reading Reddit Wall Street bets, and dude, you should see how confident everybody is. I mean, these are some smart dudes. They've been doing lots of technical and fundamental analysis, and we believe that Gamestop Corp is a company with a future, a big future, huge future, possibly the biggest future in the whole world. That's our hope. That's our plan. And I mean, video game consoles, hard box, like hardcover video games. Like, when you go to a store and actually buy a game, a physical copy, that's a huge market, only getting bigger. I think digital sales are dead. I think that's the past. I think that's ancient technology. The future is people buying the physical thing in the store and then going and trading it in and getting a new game. That's the future of the video game market. My fundamental analysis has revealed to me. So just a matter of time until Papa Elon dumps a whole ton of cash into this market, man. And we are going to the moon. Yeah, boy. Keep those comments and questions coming. Benton G says, we are going to the moon. You better believe it, Benton. You had better believe that. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just an entertainer, just a satirist, just a clown, basically. Robert Lund says, hey, John, please stop. We would hate to lose you because you may get headhunted by Wall Street. That's true. That is true. Wall Street, these are billionaires, guys. These are the fat cats. People who have the yachts, the beautiful wives, the cigars, the caviar, all kinds of high-quality drugs and pay-to-play friends and stuff. And they're going to lose it all. I feel bad about it. Honestly, I feel bad. It's a crying shame. But if we have to take down the hedge funds to get GameStop to where it needs to be, which is the moon, then that's what has to happen, I'm afraid. Okay? It's, how do you say, you can't make an omelette without cracking a few eggs. So the fat cats at Melbourne Capital and Citadel and all these other hedge funds, look, these are smart people. I'm sure they can get retrained in other areas. Maybe they can go into computer programming, learning to code and stuff. I mean, they've got some people who know how to code. They build their own platforms and software and have you. So, I mean, look, they'll be fine. Don't worry about these guys. They'll retrain. They'll be back in the workforce somewhere else by the end of the year, I would think, most of them. And they'll be fine. This is just the nature of the beast, guys. This is just how it has to be. I mean, let's not forget, the hedge funds did try and destroy... Hold on, let's go back to this screen. They were the ones who tried to destroy GameStop first, okay? GameStop, this burgeoning, growing company of the future. The hedge funds tried to destroy it. They tried to short it, get the value of the company down, and basically, remove the company off the face of the earth. So they did kind of, draw first blood. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, there's GameStop minding its own business, all right? And then the hedge funds, the evil, let's not forget too, they're evil. They're the bad guys. They're the big in town. These evil people wearing suits, smoking cigars, and eating caviar and drinking champagne, they come along, they're like, GameStop. This friendly mum and pop business. Stores all over the country. Just selling games and letting people trade in games and stuff. We gonna kill you, basically. You know what I mean? GameStop for a while, there was in big trouble. Price kept going down and what have you. But then, basically, this guy, who might be the second coming of Jesus, we'll get to the evidence for that in a moment. He comes along about a year ago and says, you know what? I think the hedge funds are wrong. I think these multi-billion-dollar companies are wrong. I think this company is going to go to the moon. And he posted about it on Reddit Wall Street Bets. This guy goes by the name Super Kitties on YouTube, I think, which is the kind of name you expect from someone with a good track record in identifying value stock bets. And on Reddit, he goes by the username Deep Level, Next Deep Level, Deep Effing Level, something like that. And yeah, so he was right, because this thing has gone, we're basically at the ISS level at the moment. He picked this back when it was on Earth, like as low as you can go on Earth. He said this is going to the moon. Well, guess what? We're now at the ISS, baby. So we've gone a fair way, and now we just need to wait for Papa Elon. Come on, Papa Elon. We need some cash, baby. Put some cash in this market. Let's take a look over here. Look at that. Tesla's doing okay. Tesla's coming back. Bed Bath & Beyond. I might have to close my position on that one. I think that one's a lost cause. Sometimes you just have to know when to hold them, when to fold them. That could be... I might have to get out of that one. iRobot. No, I'm sticking with iRobot. Their fundamentals are good. I believe they make movies. I believe they make the movie... Did it star Will Smith? Was he in the one? Can't remember, but they made a really cool movie, and I think their future's bright. Probably got a sequel in the works, I would think. Their fundamentals are fantastic. So I'm going to stick with them. But it might be time for BBY to... No, it might be time to close that position, guys. Might be time to close that position and put what is left into GME, I think. That might be the plan. Let's see. Tesla's doing okay. No problems there. It's holding steady. And Virgin Galactic... well, the reason I invested in them was because I thought they were literally going to the moon. And I've been doing some research in them, and I'm starting to think Richard Branson... I'm starting to think maybe he can't actually go to the moon. I'm starting to think maybe he can't go to space. Might have to close my position on that one as well, I think, because... I'm not so sure these guys actually can go to space. I think they just fly their rockets into a parabola and then fall back into the ocean, back into the drink. You know what I mean? Like, I think... I kind of bought into the hype. I'm like, oh, no. Like, okay, fine, NASA faked the whole thing, but that was 50 years ago. Technology wasn't as good back then. I think this Richard Branson guy's going to go to the moon. But now I'm starting to think he's just the modern version of NASA. That's what I'm starting to think. I don't know. I might have to close that position. But I'll tell you one position I'm not closing. That's GameStop. Excellent fundamentals. This company's going to the moon. Make no mistake about that. So let's take a look at the live stream chat. Got 13 people watching live. Now here's the thing, guys. My original plan today was to watch other people's live streams and just shitpost on Reddit. But the other live streamers who cover this kind of thing, they're crap. One guy just sits there reading out his super chats, and then he'll just occasionally throw in the price of the stocks, right? Terrible, absolutely terrible. Seems like a nice guy. I mean, good luck to him. He's making lots of money, but it's boring and it's hard to listen to because the way he speaks, it's very frustrating. Then there's some young dude who promotes drinking beer and buying stocks, which that's kind of a cool shtick. He seems popular, seems successful. I like him, but I don't know what he was jibber-jabbing about today. I was just like, what is this crap? You know what I'm trying to say? And then there was some other guy just sitting there talking about the stocks, and I was just like, who the fuck is this guy? I was like, you know what? I'm just going to do it myself. I'm just going to do it myself. So let's take a look at what is trending then. Let's take a look at what's trending. Let's zoom in there. Can you guys see that? Alright, zoom in a bit further. Here we go. So we're going to check the hashtag Gamestonk. Hashtag Gamestonk. Let's see what the news is. If you're just joining us live, this is John the Bond talking about the stock market. This is not financial advice. I am just a satirist, that's the word, a joker, a clown. I'm the whole lot, mate. Do not invest. In fact, don't take any of this seriously. We're just mucking around here. But I'm absolutely certain that this is going to the moon. This is crap. This is a crap hashtag. Let's try GME. Maybe that's the hashtag we want. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Diamond Beach. Yes, we need to have diamond hands today, guys. This is what we need to do, have diamond hands. In other words, don't sell, don't have weak hands, don't have paper hands. Those are the worst kind of hands to have. You want diamond hands, you want to hold, you want to buy, you want to hold, you want to stay. You want to make money, you want to come to the moon. We're going to the moon, that's what we're doing. Alright, Taylor says, when the hedge funds tell me I'm acting childish, buy meme stocks. Yeah, boy. That's what we do. We're dancing, baby. We're dancing because, look at this. We're up $40 on our investment on Gamestop. Yeah. That's right. Alright, let's take a look at, shall we, at Reddit. Can you see this on your screen? Let's take a look at the latest Wall Street Bets postings. Is this coming up? Not really. Is there some way we can fix that? No, unfortunately there's no way I can get that on the screen for you. There's no way that we can fix that. That's a shame. That's a damn shame. Unless... No, we can't do it. Alright, let's go back to Twitter. We're dancing, baby. We're going to the moon. Yeah, boy. Hey, listen, we got Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez on our side. She's on our side. You know, she was very upset with what happened yesterday. When all these people got locked out of their trading accounts or their positions got closed without their permission or something. Something bad happened to the traders, to the investors. And AOC and Ted Cruz are now on our side. Alright? So we got Papa Elon, we got AOC, we got Ted Cruz, whoever the fuck that guy is. So we are just, guys, we're going to the moon. We have to bring AOC with us. So I don't want to sit near her on the rocket to the moon because she'll just be jibber-jabbing about banning straws or some shit. You listen, we're not banning straws on the moon. We need to start discussing the policies for when we get to the moon. And there's no way we're banning straws. If the idiot earthlings think that that's going to save the earth, then that's their business. But not when we get to the moon, and definitely not when we get to Mars. We're not banning straws on Mars. Forget about it. But we do need AOC to help us lift off. So AOC, welcome to the Moon Club. We're going to the moon, baby. Speaking of which, oh no, we're down, guys. Uh-oh. Down $2. Down to $1.87. Oh, down $2 now. No, we're coming back. No, we're in trouble again. Uh-oh, this is no good, guys. This is no good. Everything was going so well. Who's letting me down? Oh, it's Bed Bath & Beyond. I knew I should have closed that position. I know, guys, we're back in the green. We're back in the green, baby. $6 now. Oh, $7 profit. Yeah, that's a 1% profit. Oh, no, we're down again. $4. Shit. We were up $100 at the start of the day. That's all right, guys. Diamond hands, guys. Got to have diamond hands. Most important hands you can have. All right. LSP says, here we get space facts and expert stock advice. 100% you do. No doubt about that. Moot says, it's a big club and we're not part of it. Or something like that. Can't remember anymore. You know what we're going to do, guys? We are going to tweet out to all of our friends on Twitter. We are going to tweet... How do I send it? Here we go. We are going to tweet GME stock trading live stream right now. Be there or miss out on massive hashtag gains, brah. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, there we do it. Let's see, we need to do an at somebody. Let's go at Fagologist. Let's go at Nathan, the Illuminated Card Game guy. Let's go at... Who else? Oh, Papa Elon. Let's get him involved as well. That's the way. How about AOC, Alexandria? There she is. Let's get her on board. Who else? Ted Cruz. Who the fuck is that guy? I don't care, because he's coming with us too. Come on, Ted Cruz, baby. We're going to the moon. Yeah, boy. Alright, so let's carry on with this this Twitter analysis. This is part of my analysis when I'm investing in stocks as well. What's the sentiment? What's the Twitter sentiment? So, hold on. I want to search Twitter for GME. That's what we're looking for. GME short. That's what we're looking for, guys. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, $6 profit, holding steady. That's alright. As you can see, pardon me, as you can see here, we ended yesterday in a bad way. 197. Oh, it was terrible. Terrible. But we started today very well. That's right. Take a look at that. Dramatic. Since then, it's been a slow dip, but actually this is all predicted in my fundamental analysis and my technical analysis. I did a whole bunch of lines on a graph, and I showed how like the lines were like converging in a certain way, and that convergence, if you follow it through to its logical conclusion, believe it or not, it ends right on one of those craters on the moon. So this is all what we expected. This is exactly what we wanted. In fact, the day's couldn't have gone better, really, when you think about it. So let's see. Zero Hedge writes that Robinhood's customers needed protection today, but won't need protection tomorrow. Out of curiosity, what was Citadel's next short exposure to GME yesterday? And today after the I don't know. You're asking the wrong guy. Zero Hedge. I don't know the answer to that question. All right. How we doing? Okay. Is it on the screen? Yeah, beautiful. All right. Sorry, I need a glass of water, guys. Give me 1 second, and you can watch my stock. I mean, look at that, guys. $20 profit now. $20 profit. Look at this. Just a few minutes ago, we were in the red. Now we are in the big-time green. We are bouncing. We are bouncing to the moon. This is where you want to be, johnthebond.com. Just give me a second. Just getting a little glass of water over here. That's the way. Alrighty. Good stuff. All right. Oh boy, a bit nervous about going to the moon. Now that it's all starting to come real, now that today's the day of the Gamma Squeeze, now I'm starting to sort of get a bit nervous about it. I've never been to the moon before. But we are going today, my friends. That is what we are doing. Let's take a look at the GME Interactive stocks. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is also going to the moon. Currently trading at about 6 US cents, which is basically 4 or 5 times where it was just a couple of days ago. And yeah, Dogecoin is coming with us to the moon. There's going to be a couple of us on the moon. The moon is big enough for Doge and for Gamestop. I think the moon is big enough for the two of us, especially because in the case of Gamestop, we're just stopping at the moon for a bit, and then we're going to Mars, baby. Just need Papa Elon. Just need Papa Elon to come to the party. All right. Reading out your comments in the live stream chat. Robert Lund says, "Hey John, don't worry, I'm watching Sky News Live to see for breakfast news regarding Wall Street." Hey, listen, if you want to get news about the stocks, you've got to go to the people who've got the best news, and you're listening to him right now. Moots says, "What happened at Robinhood GameStop will soon happen on all major exchanges, mark my words." Okay, we'll see about that. We'll see what happens. Listen, I don't really care what happens at the exchanges, guys. All that matters is that we go to the moon. That's really all that's the main thing. That's the important thing. $10 profit, guys. $10 profit. Still doing all right. Still going okay. Not bad at all. Yeah, boy. Carrying on with the Twitter analysis, the Twitter sentiment analysis, a very important part of investing and day trading is the Twitter analysis. Pardon me, the Walrus Street says that was literally their best shot yesterday. The same tactic that they used during the Volkswagen squeeze, yes, from 2008. If they execute another short ladder attack, so what? If no one is selling, they're just digging a deeper hole. That's right, my friends, the hedge funds, they're digging themselves an early grave. It's sad to see the hedge funds go down, but they are the enemy. They drew first blood. It's their fault. Jim Cramer, my main man Jimmy Cramer says, GME on a great day is probably worth 1/10 what it's selling for. The system can't handle the short calls, short common overload. What, worth 1/10, Jimmy? What are you talking about, son? It's worth 10 times what it's trading for right now. Get in while you still can. Jim Hall says something about Plotkin Melbourne Capital. Ryan Gifford makes a good point. Ryan's like, can you please stop having these dinosaurs on TV complain about how the world's changed and they don't like it? Seriously, these guys are so out of touch at the moment. It's insane. Yep. Couldn't have said it better myself, man. These people like Kramer. Where are you, Kramer? Jimmy Boy Kramer, as he likes to be called. These people, they're from another time, aren't they? Aren't you, Jimmy Boy? You're from another time. Jim Kramer on Wall Street. In his defense, Jimmy Kramer did make some good points. Take a look at this.
Here's my question. How is it that they can target, and that's legal, and if there was, in the old days, a bear raid, that was illegal? When does this become manipulation, Jim?
It's such a tough...
The dude with the black jumper, he's asking, are Wall Street bets manipulating the market? If they're all investing on the same stock at the same time, isn't that manipulation? That was the black jumper dude's question. Jimmy Kramer, I think his reply was fair.
Question, because remember, what's manipulation? How about if an analyst came out right now and said, I think GameStop is going to 250? Would we give that person a pass? Yes, because of the First Amendment. Listen to me. Different. It's First Amendment protection versus the idea of a group getting together to bust the shorts. But if the group is not a real group, it's just a lot of people who love it, it's going to be very hard for the U.S. Attorney to do anything, Herb. What is it? The SEC. They're not...
Man, that was back when GameStop was trading at $80. Those were the days, guys. Those were the days. That's Jimmy Kramer. So I'm not completely against the guy, but I just think he might be just struggling to accept it. We're living in a different world now. We're living in a different world now. Oh, guys, look at this technique. This is the kind of technical analysis that we're looking for, guys. This is what I'm talking about. If you draw all these lines in a certain way, all the points converge, and eventually you wind up at the moon. Speaking of which, where's our boy Puppet Elon? Has he come to the party? Nope, still hasn't come to the party yet. Don't worry, guys, he's on his way with his money. He's got a lot of money, Elon Musk. You probably heard about him. He's in charge of that Tesla company. He's in charge of, I don't know, creating AI bots to take over the world or something. Simulation theory. Has a kid with, like, whose name is spelled with letters and numbers and things. I mean, he's a cool dude. This is one of the coolest dudes in the world today, bar none. And he's got a lot of cash. And he's going to put the cash into GameStop. And I know that because I read it on Wall Street Bets. Wall Street Bets, yeah, boy. What else you got going on? Wall Street Bets. Problem is, I know what we can do, guys. So you can see this. Why didn't I think of this before? Yeah, boy. All right. What's the most recent thing that's being discussed here at Wall Street Bets? Can you guys see that? Barely. Is that going on? How can I fix this? There's got to be a way to fix this. What if I... No, that's not, doesn't help. Here we go. See, now we're getting somewhere. Can you guys see that? I can see part of it. Let's see what people are saying anyway. They're saying, hold on, guys. Diamond hands. Robin Hood just cancelled my order. Buy the dips, brothers. Gamma squeeze happens after hours. Be ready. Oh, what? That's not what you said before. You guys are telling me the gamma squeeze was going to happen today during trading. Now you want me to hold for the whole weekend? I'm not holding all weekend. No way. I'm getting out today. We're going to the moon today, baby. What else we got here? Let's see. Diamond hand. See, this is my guy. He says, I'm going to diamond hand so hard that I'm going to go back to sleep. Okay. That's well, as long as you don't sell. That's the most important thing. Oh, no. The squeeze might not begin today. No, that's not what you were saying a couple of days ago, guys. Today's the day. Today's the day. Today's the squeeze day, guys. Today's the gamma squeeze day. Alright? I just realised it's 5:30. I have to go and get myself a coffee. Shit. They close. Oh, no, I didn't even realise what time it is. Alright, let me read a couple more comments. I have to go, guys. I might come back and stream more later. Let's see. Jacquard says, can you go full IPS and give us all a wrench? Negative. Waterman Chris says Pope Elon. Yeah, well, Papa Elon, as I like to call him, is coming to the party, guys. He's coming to the party, and he's gonna take us to the moon, basically. What else we got? All right, cool. Well, guys, I have to go. But listen, if there is interest in this, I'm happy to come and do this again sometime soon. As you can see, we've made a lot of profit today. I'm up $11. My position's up $11. It's been a great day. Been a fantastic day. Been a marvelous day of trading. Still not sure about this this Bed Bath Buy and Beyond. I think it might be time to close our position. I think time to cut my losses there. Got to know when to hold and when to fold them. They're dragging me down. They're dragging my whole portfolio down. They're going to drag me down with them. You know what I mean? It's like a man who's drowning. Don't go and try and save him until he's all out of energy. Because if you try and save a drowning man and he's like splashing around and stuff, he can drag you down with him. Seriously, people die all the time from this. Like, because they start panicking and shit. Wait for him just to calm down, then go and save them. Because when they're all going nuts, and this Bed Bath Buy and Beyond, man, it's dragging us all down. It's a panicking man, and we need to cut him loose. I'm afraid we can't help him. But GameStop, hey, we're up. The position's up, guys, and we're just getting started. So I might be back later. It's a long day. We still got hours and hours of trading to go here at johnlebon.com. Thank you for your comments and well wishes in the live stream chat. Do appreciate it. I wish you all the best. Gee, we're up to 17 people watching live right now, man. You know what? I reckon if I actually promoted this thing, I reckon we could. I reckon we get some real viewers here at the moon party. Maybe I'll come back and do a proper stream later. But this has been a good fun test run, guys. Remember, don't take any of my advice on anything in life at all. Period. Especially trading. That's the worst thing you can do. Oh shit! Now we're losing our profit, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, we're up. No, down again. We're down 80 cents, guys. We're up 40 cents, guys. Jeez, we just need to get up a couple more cents and I can afford a coffee. Anyway, January 29, 2021. Check those links in the info box below. Free JLB mailing list with exclusive member content sent to your inbox for free. Check my Twitter account. I do have a Twitter handle. That's where I like to go and do my technical analysis, just like this. Check those links in the info box below. And if you are on the JLB Discord server and you want to see another stream like this in an hour or two, let me know. I'll do it if people are watching. But if no one's watching, what's the point of streaming? You know what I'm trying to say? It's pointless. I can do my technical analysis in silence. And that's what I'm all about. I'm all about the technical analysis. I'm all about the fundamentals analysis. And I'm telling you, this GameStop has a future. Bright future. Huge future. The brightest future. I'm talking nuclear bomb blast brightness. Yeah? Like looking right at it as it happens. Frying your eyeballs. I'm talking fried eyeball brightness in GameStop. That's my final thought. So we'll end it there. Thank you once again. And yeah, guys, we're up $2, guys. We're going to the moon.